So this is US 30 analysis for Tuesday, 12th of December. Now, let's have a look what happened with prices and where they might likely go. So, what we have seen is more recently we had seen a sell-off from this 24,532. So 532 we did 532, 534. We did see a sell-off and we did come back down into 24,071, which was the major level marked out here in red. We immediately saw bullish buy side momentum come back into the market, and even though the volatility is a lot lower than it was in the most recent past, we've had a consistent run to the upside on the US 30. So we do look poised for a possible test of that 24,532, after which we'll be looking to see our price react around 24,550. Now we do have fundamental catalysts out this week, so we have to potentially look for other upside targets. So even though quite a few of them have marked out here on the chart, if we do successfully navigate 24,550, we're looking for 24,600, 24,700 before looking for that major level. The next major level I've got marked out here on the charts of 24,830. So those are levels that we are looking at to the upside. I suppose that it would be somewhat prudent to have a look for the levels on the downside as well, because there is a possibility that prices could break down. Now, if we do break down, the levels that we are looking for is 24,238. In around this 24,238, we do have the 200 period moving average as well, potentially acting as dynamic support for more bullish buy side momentum, possibly going on to retest the 24,532 or 24,550. Now, if we don't see a bullish reaction to 200 period moving average, we're looking to see our price react to 24,071, where we do post a double bottom in down there before we see further bullish buy side momentum come into the market for a test of 24,238. If we do successfully navigate the 200 period moving average, again we'll be targeting the most recent highs. On this occasion it's 24,534, and beyond which we're looking for the next major level being around at 24,550. Now if we do break below the 24,071, the very next level I've got marked out here on the chart is all the way down at 23,900. Now, the fact that we're at 24,424, I can't anticipate prices moving much below even 24,071. I expect that to be the far end of the range. And to the upside, I can't imagine prices getting all the way up to, I suppose it is the US 30. So, possibly, depending on volatility, 24,800. In and around that zone would possibly be the far end of the range if we do get a series of fundamental factors which are supportive of the US 30. So if we do get support from in the fundamental context, we could go on to see a sizable move in the US 30, possibly heading towards that 24,700, 24,800. Now, we've mentioned all the levels that we are looking at, the dynamic levels as well. Let's just have a look at the daily chart. So over here on the daily chart, I guess get on here correct. Let's get it over. So on this daily chart, we had the pullback from the 24,005. Hold on a second here. Let me just bear with me a second. So we've had a pullback from the highs of 2017 so far. These highs were at 24,532. We've had a pullback. Now we did have these pin bars, which were not a sign of a reversal, more a sign of a retracement for continuation. And what we have seen is a further continuation to the upside. So what we have seen is these bullish candles. So we do look poised for a test of 24,550. A break from there. The far end of, well, we've already mentioned all the levels that we are looking at. So overall, the trend does appear to be the upside. We've had move upwards, pullbacks, move upwards, pullbacks, move up, and this again looks like a pullback. So we do look poised for further continuation to the upside, possibly going on to make new highs on the US 30. I suppose whether the news out this week would be supportive and we could see a strong move to the upside, or potentially we could see a turnaround here, depending on how the market interprets the news. And with that said, that's a wrap up the US 30 analysis. Thanks for watching.